Hey, what's good, guys? It's 𝐬𝐮𝐬𝐜, and today I am the lead in the music video. So my call time's at 2. I did my PSP, my preset pump earlier today. I'm gonna go eat some leftover mac and cheese and yams. Like, why not like up my whole exercise routine this morning? So I'll be there from 2 to 11 today. It's one of the shorter days, but yeah, I'm excited. I look like an old lady. It's a really cute concept. The director is super nice. He does a lot of this, so we'll see how it goes. We'll see if I'm back on his set again. I have some self-tape auditions to do when I get home, which is the hardest thing. When you're on set, you still have auditions to do. It's not one and done. You gotta keep hustling or whatever.
Truffles, yes ma'am.
My mom made this mac and cheese with 𝐼𝐶𝐬𝐵𝐠𝐞𝐿, and it was so freaking bomb. I love 𝐼𝐶𝐬𝐵𝐠𝐞𝐿 cheese. When I tell you I'm a cheese girl, I love cheese. So I know the difference between 𝐼𝐶𝐬𝐵𝐠𝐞𝐿 and cheddar, and boy, let me tell you, it is a difference. I'm going inside the house. I forgot something. My computer. Now I am on the way. I need to charge my phone because I don't have, directions. I don't charge my phone at night, and I know that's an issue. It's not okay that I don't do that, especially if I have places to be, but it's what I do. I need to start filming behind the scenes. I filmed the whole series this past summer. I started off so strong. I was like, yeah, bruh, I'm gonna do the whole season. I just got the first episode I was in. I was in 5 episodes, so that's cute. My agent called me earlier this week. Alicia. Oh shoot, I'm on set at the end of... That's the thing about Tesla drivers. Y'all think y'all all brand new and shit. Me personally, I don't like Tesla drivers. And if you're a Tesla driver, I'm sure you're great people, but every Tesla driver I know, they're mad entitled. And I'm like, for what? Get a stick at you. Respectfully, of course. Think you helping the earth just because you ride around in a ugly car? Get out of my face, bro. I'm gonna be so real with you. You're not him. No, I have beef with Tesla drivers. I'm gonna keep it a buck. I really do. That happened 5 minutes ago. Let me move on. Let's go. Not even all electric car drivers are like that. People with electric Jeeps, they're mad cool. They probably don't even know their car is a hybrid. They like the way it rides. If that, they may not care. Let's be real. Oh, I'm shaped like a Minecraft block. For what? I don't use gas. For what? Oh, I drive a Tesla. For what? That's mad extra, but for what? Oh, I invest in Tesla. You smart. So if I if I get to where I want, I'm gonna have merch that says Tesla drivers. I'll come up with something catchier. I feel like my blood pressure goes up every time I see a Tesla driver. That's my little rant about getting Tesla drivers. Respectfully, I can't say that. That's not the movie Leave the World Behind. The Tesla, it's a decent car. But the drivers, they gotta go. At any moment that can happen. They just go rogue. It's the drivers I have an issue with, though. They're all the same, bro. Give me a break. Meanwhile, I'm drinking out of a friggin' Stanley. Okay, guys, so I just arrived to the first location. I'm here 40 minutes early. That's what you gotta do. If you're 10 minutes early, you're 10 minutes late, I'm gonna chill for a little bit longer. Then I'm gonna go inside. So here's me getting my makeup done. My makeup artist was so friggin' sweet. She was so cool. And if you need to get your makeup done in Atlanta, or if you even need a tattoo, she's a tattoo artist, which is so dope to me. Her Instagram is 𝐿_JAYDED, so SOOJAYDED_. So yeah, be sure to check her out. That was amazing. And when I tell you, she stayed on it. She was on her P's and Q's for real.
And roll camera. Roll. And action on Alicia.
The thing that's different with music videos versus film and television is you're not mic'd up. The directors will talk you through literally everything.
Close your laptop. Deep breath. And lay down. Black out. And cut. Perfect. And cuts. And action. Alicia.
Sorry. She's actually taking that.
Stand for the close-ups. Oh, sorry.
Literally.
As you guys can see, it takes a ton of people to move the cameras to get different angles.
Do you want me to do typing at 60%?
You hold the function button.
Oh, that's function.
Yeah.
It picks up differently.
That's 60% right there.
Yeah,
This is
so
nice.
do that. Okay. It's like real estate when it's
Yeah,
not
facts.
typing. Yeah. That was nice.
To me, it's still crazy how many people it takes to run a 3-minute video.
Chicago. You sure? Okay.
What's up, everybody?
Whoa, superstar.
Oh man, told you I'm your brother. What's up?
And right here's the time where I start spacing out because like I'm starting to get hungry, guys. Like I want some food. Can I get, yes please. Thank you.
That word. Oh my gosh. Whoever said that.
Moist.
Oh man.
I don't like the word moist. Don't you like the word moist?
Oh my goodness.
Ooh.
Like wet or something.
Yeah, does that make sense?
It's damn.
The action.
Paycheck, running back to the strip club. I'm never going back, never going back. No, you can't make me. Never going back, never going back. They never take me. I paid enough of petty dues. I put enough of shitty news. I had a thing for dirty shoes since I was 10. Love dirty men.
Yeah. Keep going. I like that. Relax, smile. Perfect. That over.
So you just taking a step. If you think left foot, step, step. That's all it is. That's all. Your natural sauce of mind, you stepping back.
What's good? So we just wrapped first location and we're on the way to the second location. We did the car scenes. It looks really good so far. Dr. Chuck got in. He's cool people. It's fun working with him. Guys, as I'm like still figuring out the vlogging thing, it's a little harder to vlog while on set. You're constantly doing stuff. You don't get a lot of downtime. I'm gonna try my best with these. I didn't get a chance to talk to you guys, but now I am, and I have makeup on my nose hair. Not a cute look whatsoever. Always blessed to work on sets where everyone's a good vibe. It sucks because like I have really good eyelashes, but it's not just limited to my eyelashes. It's literally my nose hair too. It's so bad. But you see my eyelashes? Like, period, girl. Yes, ma'am. Period. Oklahoma. But yeah, you see this, bro? I have eyelashes coming out my nose. Not cute. I'm not angry anymore. I'm not bitter anymore. I'm slurpy sweet. There was this one scene. I was like, oh, that looks like a album movie, like a romance movie. I'm like, that's so cute. Look at these lashes. Okay, so scene 2 is where we arrive at date night. Then we're gonna have like a big group, I think of 20 extras. There's gonna be a samba dancer. We're gonna do like the line dancing. Don't back up further! Chill out, boo. Dr. Chuck is gonna do a concert there. And then we're gonna dance. Yeah, it's like a cute little romantic story. My sister Josie, she was like, Alicia, my coworker just got bit. And it was a little bat, and I think bats are like so cute. And to hear that, I'm like, hey, that's Snoop Dogg! Yo! That's Atlanta Snoop. I I wish I got him, bro. Yo, that man looked just like Snoop Dogg, and he looks like he's from Atlanta. If you know, you know. That was kind of crazy. I might need to get something for my camera, like hold it right here. I'm still new to this, guys, so I'm still figuring it out. Be patient with me, babies. Be patient. But yeah, I need to figure out where I'm going, so hold on. So the place where we filmed scene 2 is like a artist collective. They had a few different places where you can shoot, you can have concerts, you can have parties. It was a really cool spot for creatives to come together and, like, you know, obviously create.
What comes from the heart, reaches the heart, smiles, all of the big energy. I just dropped a video a couple months ago. That's almost 400,000 in 2 months. So let's blow it out of the water. Let's have a ball. Thank y'all so much again for being here. Thank you.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. It's Dr. Chuck.
Bow! There we go.
Chicago 7ers.
Yeah.
My radio team was going to go with another song, and then one of the leading radio programmers in the world, who has touched everybody from Lady Gaga, he put a song on the street called Boots on the Ground. Yeah. And tons of other biggest songs. He heard this song and said, this song's got to go now. We need a video. Yeah. That was 2 weeks ago.
So we just wrapped, and now I'm boxed in between 4 different cars, as you guys can tell. But yeah, I'm just going with the vibe, and I'm chilling right now, and I will see you guys next week. So.
He's what you want. He's what you want.